Hello and welcome to the Aurora TV studio here on campus. Right at this moment we're actually in the live room of the TV studio. Behind you you see the vision gallery where one of my colleagues is operating some of the equipment here for me. Here to my right we have a live set where students could sit and interview guests and actually produce a show based around a script, which we'll see a little bit of later. Over here to my right we have a green screen. So if I come and sit in this chair, I'm magically transformed into this virtual TV set to my right. Now, what this can do, as you can see, I'm actually interacting with the desk. You can see the reflections of my fingers on the desk surface. And also, the controller in the vision gallery can actually zoom in virtually to a closer shot of me, like that. And up here to my right, we can actually play various video content on this virtual TV screen. As you can see now, these are some of our final year films from last year, which are quite good. So, as we move on next, we're going to move on into the vision gallery where my colleague is going to explain the operations in there.
Okay, we are now in the vision control gallery for the studio floor. So this is where all the gallery operations are controlled from through various roles. We have in this seat a director who will provide instruction and direction as to what camera shots they are wanting. We have a sound mixer desk which allows the sound operator to monitor levels. We have a vision mixer surface which allows that controller to send various shots to the record as the director requires. We have an auto cue point which allows students to operate their scripts from as needed. And then we have a broadcast control station at the end there which allows us to send various video and audio feeds to various outputs as required. Over my shoulder we have the lighting control surface which allows the lighting operator to control various amounts of luminosity and spread and positioning of lights on the studio floor. So all those roles are together in this control gallery environment. Over here we have our program and our preview monitors, so the director and the vision mixer can work together along with the rest of the crew to provide the sequence of shots that's going to be required for the recording. So at the minute on the program monitor here we have a selection of previous students' work, and then over here on our left-hand monitor, the preview monitor, we've got one of my colleagues out there who sat on the studio floor in our virtual environment. So this is one of a selection of virtual environments we can place our contributors in. And at the minute, as you can see, Paul is there in one of our news desk environments, which I can control from this control service. We can virtually zoom in and out. We don't technically need camera operators, but obviously those are roles that require to be filled as well in certain shows.